Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create mail list in Mailchimp. So first you need to do is open up your Mailchimp website, then go to this audience option, and then from here simply click on this add your contacts option. On this screen you can import your contacts from another service, or you can upload a CSV or text file, or you can also copy and paste your contacts. So I'm going to choose this one, then click on this continue button. Now paste your contacts in this input box, and then click on this continue to organize button, and then simply select your current audience, and then click on this continue to tag, and then simply add the tags if you want to add some, or you can simply click on this continue to match. And on this screen you need to enter the name of your fields that you use. So simply in first column we need to specify that this is the email addresses, so simply click on that, and then simply select the option from this drop down menu, and then simply click on this confirm, and then simply do this for all of these fields. So let me just do that. We'll and after you do that, simply click on this continue to subscribe, and then simply click on this finalize import, and this simply complete import button, and then click on this view contacts, and that is how you can create mail list in Mailchimp. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.